Morning students. In previous lecture we have taken revision on real numbers. In this lecture also we are going to take some more examples which are based on real numbers and the revision questions that we have studied earlier lectures. Let's start with the example. Also remember that in this video I will solve one example from the type and the rest of the examples I have written in that question. So you should see it carefully, observe it carefully, rewrite the example that I have solved in the video and the next two examples that you have to solve also. Means all the examples, solved examples from the video and unsolved examples from the video you have to solve and send a PDF to me. Okay, so let's first start with the first example. Write in decimal form. If I take the first example 15 upon 7, so means always remember that while writing the decimal form you should divide numerator to denominator. So numerator get divided by denominator means here remember that if denominator is greater, see in this example denominator is greater but still we have to divide numerator by denominator. So 7 ones are 7, 15 minus 7 is 8, 7 twos are 14, 7 twos are 14, 15 minus 14 is 1 point, 7 ones are 7, 10 minus 7 is 3, 7 fours are 28, 7 twos are 14, 7 eights are 56. I am continuing here also, but remember that while you are solving this example please do not carry forward and make it half part. Please carry forward in this way along one below the other. So 7 eights are 56, 60 minus 56, 40, 1 0 is I am exceeding, 7 5s are 35, remaining 5, 7 7s are 49, remaining 1. So here the remainder is 1. So now if I increasing 1 0, that will become 10 and again 7 ones are 7. So this series again repeating. So your answer is 15 upon 7 is equal to 2.142857. This series is repeating, this group is repeating. So these are the recurring decimal form. 15 upon 7 is equal to 2.142857 recurring. Please write this part below 60. Don't write at the right hand side. Now we have to find out the P upon Q form of this example. So here I will select third example. You have to solve the rest of the example also and the solved example also. So let's take the third example. Here let x is equal to 13.451 recurring. So now here 3 digits are recurring means we have to multiply by 1000 to the both the side. So 1000x is equal to, now this recurring part shifted to the left hand side of the point. So you will get 13,451.451 recurring. So now we will take the subtraction. 1000x minus x is equal to 13,451.451 recurring minus 13.451 recurring. Here you will get 999x. Recurring part gets subtracted, you will get 0. 13,451 minus 13, you will get 13,438. So x is equal to into 999 get into the denominator by shifting the place. So this is your answer, P upon Q form. In this way you can solve this two example also. You have to write this example also and then you have to solve this two. Now we have to write any three rational numbers between these three questions. Let us select the second example, 3.45 and 3.46. Remember that 3.45 means 3.450 and 3.46 means 3.460. Now you can write any three rational numbers, any 10 rational numbers we can write. So 3.450 is smaller than 3.451 because these are the positive numbers. So your direction is like this way. If they are negative, the sign will be reverse. So 3.451, 3.452 is smaller than 3.453. We have to write the three numbers only. So the mediator numbers we cannot write. Just mention the last number, 3.460. So in this way we solved this example. Now we have to simplify these examples. So let's take the last example, square root of 320. Again I will memorize that point. To take the factors of 320, just remember which factors get square root. So here I will expand as 16 into 20 because I can find out square root of 16. But here also we can take factors of 20 as 4 into 5. So now we can remove the square root of 16 and 4. Square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. And inside the third is 5. 4 2s are 8. So the simplified form of 320 is 8 square root of 5. So in this way we can solve these two examples also. 25 3s are 75 and 4 into 10 40. Now we have to do the comparison of these three thirds. So we can consider the second example, 10 square root of 3. In previous video also we have taken such a type of example, 10 square root of 3. How will you convert 10 square into 3 because the order is 2. 10 square is 100. 100 into 3 under root, that is square root of 300. Now 5 square root of 14 also we will convert as 5 square into 14. 5 square is 25. 25 into 14. 14 5s are 70, carries 7. 14 2s are 28 plus 7 35. So now square root of 300 is smaller than square root of 350. Square root of 300 means 10 square root of 3 is smaller than 5 square root of 14. This is your answer. Always make a box to the final answer. This habit is very good for your paper presentation. Always remember that. Okay. Now let's take the new example of simplify. This example I will solve because this is quite easy. This is quite difficult. So 50, 98 and 162. The smallest number is 50, so I should go with the square root of 50, and I have to take the factors of 50 in such a manner that I can find out the square root of one of the factor. So here I will consider the factors of 50 as 25 into 2 because I can find out square root of 25. Similarly, one factor will remain in this third, that is 2. So here also for 98 one factor should be 2. So it is 49 into 2. Now for 162 also 81 into 2. Square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 2. Square root of 49 is 7. Square root of 2. Square root of 81 is 9. Square root of 2. So now observe these three surds. Three surds are the like surds. We can do the addition, subtraction. 5 minus 7 plus 9 in the bracket square root of 2. 5 minus 7 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 9 is 7. Square root of 2. This is your final answer. So in this way you can solve this example also. The next type is rationalize the denominator. Here I will take this example. Here the conjugate pair of the denominator is square root of 7. You should first write the statement conjugate pair of square root of 7 minus square root of 5 is square root of 7 plus square root of 5. Similarly, to the numerator, we have to multiply by the same number square root of 7 plus square root of 5. Here the original question. Now we will take the product. 2 into 2 square root of 7 plus 2 square root of 5. And in the denominator a minus b, a plus b, this formula a square minus b square, that is square root of 7 square minus square root of 5 square, 2 square root of 7 plus 2 square root of 5 upon square root of 7 square is 7 minus 5 square is 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 square root of 7 plus 2 square root of 5. Now your denominator is rational. Multiplication type of question that I have taken in the previous video. So please rewrite and solve these examples. Also you can ask me for any queries. Message me also or WhatsApp me. Make a PDF of all solved examples and send it to me on my personal WhatsApp account. Thank you.